everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So my dear viewers, I am back with another super amazing video. In this video you will see such a beautiful and adorable centerpieces ideas. As we know the Christmas are coming soon. Christmas is the most famous and beautiful festival is celebrated worldwide every year. People all around the world celebrate Christmas with joys and happiness. Many people decor their home with beautiful and colorful things. Also, people brightly lit up their homes. So, my dear viewers, I am here for you with beautiful, latest, and trending ideas about Christmas, which is very helpful for your home decoration. So watch this video till end, which is very helpful for you to enhance the beauty and charm of your home on a beautiful and amazing festival. All my ideas in this video are very unique, colorful, with fairy lights, balls, and many more beautiful and colorful things. So my dear viewers, watch my video till end and keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos and share my videos also with your family and friend also. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon for more unique updates. Thank you. Have a great day. Stay blessed. Stay happy.